Hello, 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 hello. I am Christine Michelle. I am your transformational coach, and you get to shift your reality, step into the life you want to live, the best life, and live it now. And that is because you are watching AlignedSoul TV. So, welcome, welcome, welcome. This is Gratitude Week. This is day 4 of the Gratitude Challenge. Have you been watching all the videos? If you have, hashtag say yes, gratitude, hashtag AlignedSoul. Yes, thank you for doing these videos. Christine, I appreciate you. So today we are going to talk about love. All you need is love, love. Love is all you need, right? We're gonna talk about that feeling, that love you want in your life, whether it's that sexy, fine man that you have been thinking about that's loving and supporting you and in your bed and doing all the things, right? Whether it's that type of love or familiar love, your family, your friends, just that love and supportive feeling, right? We're gonna talk about that today. And we're going to talk about some ways to attract more of that in your life, which is going to be from gratitude, of course. So before we do, remember to subscribe. Remember that there is a freebie below each one of these videos that is all about gratitude. It shows you what I'm grateful for, right? In the 10 things, the freebie that's under video 1. It showed you my money, thank you God, thank you universe, my thank you to money list, right? Thank you to money, all the things that I was so grateful for about money, all of that stuff. That example is there, and then it has a letter for you just to give you some ideas. And then below the last video, we have my thank you to the universe, right? And then the thank you list that I created, and then also my God to-do list, right? So it showed you the how to do it, right? To give you some ideas. So go and download all of those freebies if you're interested in really tapping into and seeing some examples so that you can easily write your list. This is going to be all about love. Let's talk about love. So you've had these relationships in your life, you have these people in your life that you probably take a little bit for granted, right? You know your mom loves you, your dad loves you, your aunt, your uncle, whoever's in your life. You know that your husband or your boyfriend love you, right? You know these people love and adore you, but do you say thank you? Do you appreciate when you're writing your list of appreciation? Do you thank every day for all of the love that you receive in your life? Right? And then you single ladies and guys out there, those relationships that you've had in the past, you're so glad Pablo's gone, or you're so glad that Paulette is never going to be in your life, right? But there were some things that Pablo and Paulette brought into your life that you can appreciate, right? Some things that you were aligned with, whether they were super nice, even in the beginning, whether they were attentive and listened to you that one time. There's something about that that you can appreciate. And so in order to get you into the vibration of feeling appreciation, of feeling loved and adored, right? Because in order to align with bringing that love relationship into your life, or continue aligning with the familiar love, the love of just being loved and adored just for who you are, unconditional love, family love, in order to align with that, you've got to feel it, and you've got to just continually allow that to be your set point of just being loved and adored. And I love having this love and adoration. I love being in love. I love loving my life, right? And so what you are going to do is going to be writing a list of all of the things that you loved about that person in your life, that relationship. So if you're manifesting more girlfriends, more friends, like more people in your life, what are all the things that you appreciate about friends and everything that you loved about all of the people that have come in and out of your life? If you're manifesting that amazing, loving, adoring relationship where you feel like you have a partner for life and you're just so in love, right? If you're manifesting that, what is the list of things that you can appreciate for each one of the people that have come in and out of your life, whether it's crushes that you never really dated, there was something that drew you to them, something that you admired and loved about them. Write it on that list. Exes, yes, things did go left, but before they went left, what did you love about it? What did you enjoy about it? What did you enjoy about that person? What was something that attracted you to them? Even if you can find only one thing. And I want you to just go through and just write that list and really appreciate each and every one of those things that you wrote, because those are all things that you are aligned with, that you brought into your life, and that it's about bringing that back into your vibration and thanking and appreciating for having that and having experienced that. Okay, so this is an easy assignment. And this assignment is in addition to the other assignment that you're doing every day this week, which is what? Do you remember? You are writing the 10 things that you appreciate. Every morning you're waking up and you're saying, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, right? You're feeling that gratefulness and you're carrying that list with you throughout the day, and you're looking at that list, you're holding it. Every time you think about it, what are you saying? Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, so super easy today. You will see the love in your life just multiply. You will see, the more you appreciate the love that you have experienced or are experiencing, you will see that increase into your life. So just thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. All those aspects, all those things that you appreciate about that person, things that they brought into your life, things that they did for you, that you could just feel it, right? Because when you want to be in love, you gotta feel in love now, not when he shows up. You feel it now. So that's it for this video. Definitely subscribe and hit the notification button and put some comments below. Let me know one positive aspect that you enjoyed for whatever relationship that you had last, if you're manifesting a relationship, or if you're looking for new girlfriends and you move to a place and you don't have any friends, what did you appreciate about the friends that are in your life, and what would you like to manifest about that, right? All the things that you want, you normally experienced it a little bit in your life, so you can go back to, where did I feel when I experienced that before? What did I appreciate about that experience? And this is bringing it present into your vibration, right? Which is made up of what? Your thoughts, your desires, your feelings, your emotions, your actions, right? It's all made up and all in your vibrational soup, right? So I'm super excited about it. Remember, there is the freebie that's going to show you the list of my aspects, the things that I appreciate about that person. And I'm super excited to share that with you. And the handout that's going to help you, if you print it out or if you leave it on your phone, will help you do this exercise for yourself. So hugs, kisses, all the feels. Remember to subscribe, hit the notification button. I look forward to seeing you with the next video. So bye.